that as an organization, we have written to the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission requesting them to extend this voter registration blitz. We would also want to recommend the Civil Registry Department to cover more centers, as many people in many places do not have IDs. We have also witnessed the harassment of people who are mobilizing people to register to vote. It is very clear that mobilizing people to register to vote is not a crime. We have seen our staff members getting arrested, myself in Hopley, and released with no charge. We wish to as well condemn the harassment of the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission staff by political party activists. The said incident that happened in Epworth, where ZEC staff members were beaten by alleged party activists, and this unfortunate circumstance is very regrettable. We call upon the Zimbabwe Republic Police to swiftly investigate this incident and bring perpetrators to book. I thank you.